If you are a landlord or a tenant in California, this is the one document people reach for at the worst possible moment and usually cannot find. Today, it is the California month-to-month rental agreement. A month-to-month rental agreement sets out the rent, the deposit, who pays which utilities, and how much notice either side gives before ending the tenancy, on a rolling term instead of a fixed year. It is the most flexible arrangement in residential renting, and the one people most often leave undocumented because it feels informal. Without it, you are relying on default rules and memory for the notice period, the deposit, and every house rule you thought you had agreed. And this matters more than people expect. The notice periods, the deadlines, and the wording that count are set by California law, not by a generic national template. The version on our site is built for California, and the page walks you through the California rules that apply to it. Fill it in on the page, hit generate, and you get a clean, dated PDF you can print, sign, or email in about a minute. No account, no watermark, no charge. If this was useful, give it a like, subscribe for the rest of the series, and head over to tenantscreeningbackgroundcheck.com to grab the form.